Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children. How are you all?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Good evening, Adrek. Good evening, Aishwarya. Ashwath. Good evening, beta. Divesh, Ritesh, Rohini, Shreyansh.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening. Children, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have
Good
some
evening,
doubts in
ma'am.
the test.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta.
Ma'am, I have some doubts in the test, ma'am.
Yes, Divesh. Which type of doubts you are having?
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
How
Ma'am,
was the questions? It
ma'am,
was
even
interesting.
I have a doubt too. Ma'am, it was
Yes,
showing
ma'am. In
that
the
a
second
straight,
question,
ma'am, a straight
ma'am.
angle is 1/4 of a complete angle, but
Yes,
actually
ma'am.
it is half of a complete angle. And so the answer is false, but it's showing that it's true.
Yes, ma'am. Same happened to me.
Just wait. Let me open that, okay? Yes, beta. Which question you are asking? Second one.
Ma
Second one.
yes, ma'am. In the second question, it's telling that right angle is 1/4 to a complete angle. We kept false, but it's showing
It
true.
will be half. Right. By mistake, it is false. Any
Ma'am,
other?
ma'am, even the third question, it's showing that reason a triangle with one of its angle 900 is called a right angle. So,
This
ma'am,
is
Yes,
90
ma'am.
degree, beta. Not 900. This is 90 degree.
ma'am, but since it was showing 900, I said reason is false. 900
Yeah.
is correct, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It
I
is
did the same
90
thing,
degree.
ma'am.
Because instead of this 90 in the exponent, it is a degree is just adjacent to 90. It was
Ma'am,
9.
so like that will be considered as correct?
Yeah, but
Okay.
yeah. So children, may we proceed now? Today I
Yes,
am
ma'am.
going to start new chapter, that is triangle and its properties. Okay? Okay, children? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So in triangle and its property. So one thing you all of you know that the sum of angles of triangle is how much?
180 degrees.
Yes, 180 degree. The sum triangle sum property is the angles, the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, and what do you mean by triangle, beta?
Ma'am, a triangle is a shape.
Ma'am, triangle is a shape. It has three line segments or three
And
sides.
it's a closed shape with three
Yes,
sides
it's a
and
closed
three
figure.
vertices.
Yes, beta.
And
Triangle is a
triangle.
closed figure with three line segments
Yes.
and three
And
vertex.
these points should be non-collinear, right? ABC are non-collinear points.
Yes, ma'am.
Because if they will be collinear, then they will lie on a straight line. Okay, beta? This is collinear.
And what is the meaning of non-collinear?
Non-collinear means that they will not lie in a straight line. Okay, collinear means they lie on a straight line. Okay, the closed figure obtained by three line segments. Three line segments AB, BC and CA is called triangle. And how many vertices it have?
Ma'am, 3.
Yes. A, B, C are its three vertices, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And three sides they are having, it is having three sides. So
Yes,
sides
ma'am.
are AB, BC and CA, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
And it has three angles also. So one angle is angle ABC, this angle ABC, right? And this
Yes, ma'am.
angle ACA, ACB,
Ma'am, and BAC.
yes, BAC, right? Or you can denote these angles or angle A, angle B and angle C. Clear, beta? Please note this.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
in a triangle, 2 points are collinear and 1 point is non-collinear.
Yes, beta.
Like, can it be like that? Like, only 1 point is non-collinear. Like, can we say like that?
Uh, yes, you can say like this.
Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, like B and C are collinear points, no?
Yes, beta. B and C are collinear and A should be non-collinear, right? But
Yes.
according to this, you can't say that 2 points are collinear. Only you can check 3 points can more than 2 points you can check that they are collinear. See how. Suppose these 3 points are collinear, right? A, B, C.
Yes, ma'am.
And this then the sum of these two line segments, suppose AB and BC, it should be equal to AC. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is the property of 3 points to be collinear. Fine.
Ma'am. Yes.
So, children, may I proceed to next?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you can proceed.
May I proceed to next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, first of all, you already know this thing. Equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle?
Ma'am, it is a triangle which
Ma'am, a
has
triangle
all equal
whose all
sides.
sides
All
are
the
equal.
sides of the triangle are equal.
Yes. A triangle having all sides are equal. Suppose this is a triangle and its all sides are, suppose, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, right? The measurement of its sides are 5 centimeter. So,
Yes.
a triangle having all sides equal. This is called equilateral triangle. And beta, one more thing, if all sides equal, it means their all angles should be equal,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
And its all angles
Are equal.
are also equal, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And we know that then in triangle, the sum of all angles is 180 degree,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And if all angles are equal, it means that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Like,
So,
is it
yes.
uh,
So, instead
like
of
the
B and
measure of ma'am, the measure of each angle is gonna be the same in all the cases?
yes, in equilateral triangle. So, instead of B and C, I have written angle A. So, in this way, you will get thrice of angle A will be equal to 180. And then angle A will be 180 by 360 degree, right? So therefore, each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this, Arya.
I'm like, how you got angle A plus angle A plus angle A equals to 180?
Add angle A plus angle A plus angle. 3 times angle A appears.
I'm like, how you got it?
What?
Like, how is it a formula like angle A plus
There
angle
is
A?
a theorem. Siddhant, there is a theorem. The angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
And this proof of this theorem you will study in higher class. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I'm still writing.
Okay, okay. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
May I proceed to next?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next triangle comes isosceles.
Ma'am, an isosceles triangle is a triangle whose two sides are equal.
Yes.
Two sides.
Yes, beta. Isosceles is a triangle whose two sides are equal. Means these two sides.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So a triangle having two sides equal.
Ma'am, that means two angles also equal.
Yes, beta. Is called an isosceles. See, the angle opposite to equal side. The opposite angle of AB will be C, right, beta? And opposite angle of AC will be B, right? So, it has two equal angles, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. This is the theorem, okay? Because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So, therefore, angle B is equal to angle C. Clear, beta? Please note it down it. And what is scalene triangle?
Ma'am, no sides are equal.
Yes.
Ma'am, a triangle
All sides
whose
are,
all sides are unequal.
yes, all sides are different, right? It's actually
Ma'am, shall we draw the diagram on?
yes, beta. You need to draw diagram, beta. Okay? With scale and pencil. While drawing the figures, your pencil should be sharp.
Done, ma'am.
Kindly show me your thumbs up, children, if you all have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rohini?
Like, can you explain the sentence again? Like, angles opposite to equal sides are equal.
Sides are equal. See, here AB and AC sides both are equal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the angle opposite to AB side is angle C, na?
Yes, ma'am.
And the angle opposite to AC is
AB.
AC. Angle opposite to AC side is B, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So therefore, these two angles are equal. Okay?
So, like, angle A measures different, no?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now may I proceed to next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So children, what do you mean by acute triangle?
Ma'am, it's like
triangle
all the
whose,
angles are below 90
Triangle which
degrees.
has an angle which is less
All
than
angles are
90 degrees.
acute.
Yes. Below 90 degree, right? Less than 90 degree.
Means like all angles are acute angles, ma'am.
Yeah.
And they all are below 90.
Yeah. So acute triangle is, now we are defining triangle on the basis of angles. Okay. So acute triangle is a triangle whose angles
are less than 90 degrees.
measures, yes beta, measures less than 90 degree. Okay. Is called acute triangle. So suppose this is a triangle and suppose its all angles are 60 degree. 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. So this is acute angle. Acute triangle. Okay, beta?
Ma'am, so that it is also an equilateral triangle.
Yes,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
This is also an equilateral triangle as well as acute triangle. Okay?
Ma'am, so we can call it acute angle, equilateral triangle.
Yeah. You can call it as equiangular, right?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can we say that all acute angles are sorry, all equilateral triangles are acute angles?
Yes.
Okay.
Now right angles.
Ma'am, a triangle whose all angles are equal to 90 degrees.
Yeah. All
Ma'am, like
angles are.
one
Or
angle
only
is
one.
equal to 90 degree. One angle is equal
Yes.
to 90 degree.
Yeah, one angle,
Yes.
sir.
So a triangle, one of whose angles measures 90 degree. Okay, beta? Is called right triangle. So this is a right triangle. This angle 90 degree. Okay? And what do you mean by obtuse?
Ma'am, an
Ma'am,
obtuse has all.
it's an obtuse angle. It has an obtuse angle.
It has only one, right? Whose
Yes,
one
ma'am.
angle
If it
measures
has two obtuse
more than
angles, it would
90
not
degree,
be a
right?
triangle.
More than 90 degree is called obtuse.
Ma'am, this right angle triangle
Please
has.
note it down it fast, children.
Ma'am, this
Okay,
right
ma'am.
angle triangle has some property called Pythagoras theorem. Done now.
Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
So, all have written this?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I'm writing.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, the right angle triangle has a property.
Okay, note it down it.
Ma'am, the right angle triangle has a property called the Pythagoras theorem, right?
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am,
We will learn this also.
ma'am, ma'am, is the
Yes.
right angle like, is it an
Yes,
isosceles?
Rohini?
Is the right triangle an isosceles triangle?
Yes, it can be. It can be.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, it can be. If its two sides are given equal, then you can say that the right angle triangle is isosceles. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can an obtuse triangle be isosceles?
Obtuse, yes, beta. Only angle will be different.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm done.
Written, children, kindly show me a thumbs up. Hurry up. So that I can proceed.
One second.
Please draw the figure also along the definitions. Okay? Adrit, Ashwath, Shreyansh, Advika, written, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
And have you understood also?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Am I
like,
audible, children?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you do little bit up?
Yeah, beta. Fine, Ashwath?
Ma'am, I am telling scrolling up, not down.
In actual, the 90-degree triangle is also known as the ramp, right?
May I proceed, children?
Yes,
Bro, ma'am left.
Am I audible, children?
yes, ma'am.
May I proceed to next?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now next is, if I will ask you, now questions we will do based on this thing. See, in a triangle ABC, angle A is given 35 degree and angle B is given 65 degree. Find the measure of angle C. How you will find, beta?
Ma'am, sum of all three angles is 180-degree.
Ma'am, 180-degree
Yes.
minus
So
angle
you
A
will
plus.
substitute the value of A and B in that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Angle A
Good,
plus
good.
angle B
So
is
how
angle
you
C
will write?
equals
You
to
will write?
180-degree.
Yes. So first of all, you will write given. What is given? So you will write angle A is equal to 35 degree and angle B is equal to 65 degree in solution. Okay. Then you have to find angle C. So you will write like this. Then you will write, we know angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 beta.
Yes,
You will
ma'am.
write here triangle angle sum property. Okay. Please attempt like this only, else your marks will be deducted. Okay. So
Okay,
now put the value of A is 35, B is 65. Now angle C is equal to 180. So now add 35 and 65. It will be 100.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, children?
Yes,
Now
sir.
we have to find angle C. So you will transpose this
180
100 to the right hand side. So angle C will be equal
Ma'am,
to
so angle C is 80 degree.
100. Yes. Yes. So angle C will be equal to 180 degree. So this is your answer. And your answer should be written within the box only. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Please note this, hurry up.
Done, ma'am.
So all have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Still right.
All have written, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, now we will meet tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow there will be maths class at 6:40, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.